Hello, trading is closed on February 5th. Let's go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. This is it. Said it usually rallies into the close. Close, but as far as I'm concerned, no cigar. We'll go over that in a minute. We said unless we gapped over these highs, lower prices should print, and we gapped over the highs. Tomorrow's pattern also has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. Well, we did rally pretty much into the close, but under 10 minutes left to trade, we were trading under the early high here. It's not really the kind of enthusiastic advance this pattern usually gives us, and we should either negate this tomorrow by gapping over these highs or taking them out promptly, or else the pattern's negative and should lead to lower prices. And if we don't gap up, I think we'll see the 33.2386 lower MEJT target. This ultimate sell signal from the morning pattern's already paid off, but this move is false. And unless we gap up, take this high out fast, I think that target's going to be seen. Here's what we said. Tomorrow has a really high. Don't forget, we'll have 2 videos tomorrow. This is a retest of the old high. It missed breaking it by a small fraction. The fact that we broke it after the close, to me, isn't good. We had plenty of time to break through here. I think it's like an hour and a half. We couldn't do it. And as soon as the serious money went home, we broke through. It means the amateurs were willing to pay up to get long, but the pros weren't. This is percentage of stocks that have positive patterns. The old high was way up here, now it's way down here. It's a major divergence. Doesn't require us to drop tomorrow, but it's saying that fewer stocks are taking us higher. So we have a serious reduction in breadth. We even have fewer stocks in favorable patterns than we had here and pretty close to here. We're going back months. So fewer troops are taking us into battle, if you want to call it that. Thursday's pattern has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down, even though futures are up as I'm recording this. Close today was weak. The all-time high after the close came too late to demonstrate support from serious money. Have a possible double top. Unless we gap and promptly overtake today's high, I think we'll see lower prices. And if it is a double top, this could last for more than a day. That's not a lock at this point because we don't know what will happen tomorrow. As always, if we gap up, the whole idea goes away before the open. Otherwise, here's our target, and ultimately we're going to see this one. That's today's call.